Now we're beginning to add integers. So we're going to do some number sentences here in a minute, but first we're going to do the starting position, steps backwards, steps forward, and then where your ending position would be. So if we start at +4 on the number line, think of the number line, and take 8 steps backwards, we end up at -4. And then 2 steps forward, we would end up at -2. If we start out at -7 and take 3 steps backwards, we end up at -10. With 6 steps forward, we still end up at -4. Now your answer won't always be a negative. In these two cases it was. But I was only going to do a couple of those examples, and now we're going to do a couple of number sentences. Now we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to write out the equation. So our starting position is -5. Then we're going to go backwards 4. So you can either write that as a -4 or a plus a -4. I'm going to go with plus a -4 for now. Steps forward, of course, is going to be a +9. And now we say what that equals. Well, -5 plus -4 is -9 plus 9. Well, that equals 0. The next one starts at +8. You can just put 8, or you can put +8 or +8. Again, you can just write -1. I'm going to go with plus -1, and then 3 steps forward. Well, 8 plus a -1 is -7. Sorry, +7 plus 3 is 10. I'm going to change this last one down here, just so that we have some positive and some negative answers. So this time we start at 0. We could either write -7, or I'm going to go with plus -7, and then +2. So 0 plus a -7 is -7, plus 2 is -5. So that's how you write number sentences.